70% of students say they prefer online learning over a traditional classroom setting. More and more families have taken the step towards an online approach for their child's education. Between the flexibility and a one-on-one learning atmosphere, online learning is quickly becoming more popular.
Many parents tell us that their children just don't fit the traditional school mold. Traditional schools are scheduled for 180 days a school year. Teachers are required to move students through their textbooks at a set pace. And for many kids, that is too fast. My daughter's an example. In English, she was very accelerated. She was actually bored in her class because she could move faster through the course. However, in math, she fell behind and the class moved on. She failed the first chapter test. She felt hopeless that she would ever be able to catch up and pass the class. Not all students fit that 180-day schedule. The second concern we hear about is due to COVID. When schools shut down, they were thrust into online learning. They were not prepared. Teachers weren't trained. Students didn't know how to log in or how to manage the technology and find their courses. School districts canceled state testing, and as a result, students are way behind their grade level. It's called COVID learning loss, and it's a big concern. So many students were devastated that their goals of graduating on time and moving on to college were delayed. The third concern we hear about is transparency. Parents are very concerned about bias in the curriculum and what is being taught in schools. They don't feel like they're being heard, and they don't feel like they have an avenue to voice their concerns. And they also don't have a way to engage in their children's education. Parents appreciate the flexibility that online education offers. Students can go to school any time of day, from anywhere they have internet access. This is great for families that travel because school can work around their travel schedule. At Whitmore School, we also have many professional dancers and professional musicians. That's their passion. They don't have to give that up. They can work their schoolwork around their profession. So it offers so much flexibility. Parents are also looking for a safe place for their children. They're very concerned about bullying and violence in schools. When children are in school and anxious about bullies, there's very little learning that takes place. So parents really are looking for a safe place for their children to go to school where they can actually learn.
Whitmore School was founded by parents that wanted more for their daughter, who was not thriving in a traditional school setting. They set out to make an online school for all types of learners. Whitmore School is an online accredited high school that seeks to provide a supportive, challenging, and alternative learning environment. Students are encouraged to be in charge of their education, giving them opportunity to develop creativity, independence, responsibility, time management, and critical thinking skills. Whitmore School. Expect more, learn more, become more. Whitmore.
Whitmore School was founded by a parent who needed an alternative education for his daughter. She was very unhappy in her public school. She was uncomfortable with the social teen drama. So he withdrew her from school and he self-taught programming, and he wrote the learning management system that has become Whitmore School. Whitmore School is unique in its teaching and learning approach. It's called self-paced mastery learning. Students move through their courses at the pace they're most comfortable with. So students work one-to-one with their teachers. The lesson will go back and forth between them until the teacher feels that they have mastered the concepts of the lesson. There are no deadlines, so every student works at the pace that's comfortable to them.
At Whitmore School, we've got 3 different levels of our diploma program. The initial diploma program, which gives you all the courses, whether it's, say, general studies or the college prep program. From there, we go to a Diploma Plus program. That provides you with a guidance counselor that you've got access to with a personal phone number. And the third is called Diploma Plus with College Corner. That's really good for the students going to universities or colleges that need that extra advocate, getting them into the school, helping them fill out the forms, and getting them ready for transitioning to college. One of the things that's great about Whitmore School is there's not many add-ons. It really includes everything you need. You don't need books. Everything's online. You do need a computer and you need internet access. At Whitmore School, we do have a pay in full for all of our programs, which gives you a discount. Or if you prefer a payment plan, we have payment plans, and we also do custom payment plans.
Whitmore School really helped me become aware of what I'm capable of and like what I need to do and what I need to improve on throughout my life. And it showed me, that self-discipline is an important thing to learn and teach yourself, because it's not just a given skill. You need to actually learn that.
I really enjoyed Whitmore because it allowed me to be more self-driven, ambitious, and know that even when I think my work was the best, it could be even better. And also to accept failure too, because I'm a perfectionist. And, sometimes you have to learn some hard lessons.
Whitmore School is accredited by Cognia. They're the most recognized school accreditor in the world. We have been consistently accredited since 2005. Whitmore School's unique approach to teaching with self-paced mastery learning might be a good fit for your child. If you'd like to learn more, you can give us a call, or if you'd like to attend one of our live virtual open houses, you can register online.
To learn more about Whitmore School, visit whitmoreschool.org.